Well, I grew up in Akron, Ohio, where we don't really see a lot of people becoming artists. I grew up believing in God and believing in myself and had a very strong foundation of faith. And something that my mom instilled in me from an early age was that you are capable of achieving whatever it is that you dream and aspire for. What I picked up from the age of 6 up until my adult years was the sport of football. I was fortunate enough to have over 30 Division I scholarship offers and ended up choosing to play football at Georgia Tech. My plan was I'm gonna play in the NFL, and then after that I'm gonna be a neurosurgeon. Got a knee injury that ended my career and ended up getting a job with Microsoft Corporation. I co-founded an organization called Athletech, and we combine athletics and technology. We would bring in athletes to teach kids different tech lessons. While I was working in corporate, I was also making paintings after work. I was doing art markets on the weekends. I knew that if I really wanted to do this and not just have it as a hobby, I kind of need to be in an environment where people are taking this seriously. So I started looking at degree programs. There was something special about ArtCenter. When I got to that Hillside campus, I knew that this was something that is going to prepare me for life as a professional artist, and it was the best decision I ever made. ArtCenter is a place that really nurtured me and made it easy for me to be an artist and be a creative person. One of my professors challenged me to make self-portraits, and I made a series of large silk screen prints and called the exhibition Face Fear. It made me appreciate myself more. It made me believe in myself more. I've always been into entrepreneurship. So in school, I had formed my own company, We Uplift the World. And I gotta thank ArtCenter a lot for helping me put it into action. For example, I had an idea to start a Kickstarter to do a charity event during Art Basel. What we did was get a bunch of kids from Miami to come and paint a community mural. Doing that event and getting the Kickstarter funded by people who believe in We Uplift the World, that's another thing that really sparked this company to become a real thing and get to the point where we now have grants and government contracts. And for the last 5 years, we've been working with school districts, and we put a program together where we took a bunch of students from Compton and we got Apple to sponsor us, and we got phones and iPads for all the students to learn on. And we taught them how to create videos and tell stories every week. We taught them financial literacy and even how to make money with videos. And we taught them how to grow their own healthy food. We had them making fruit and acai bowls and salads. I wanted to create a space where we could teach these kids all these essential skills that they need to have a more successful life, and teach them something about creating natural sustainability through the lens of filmmaking. We got opportunities to partner with organizations like Orphan Starfish, and we were able to teach students in a bunch of Native American reservations how to use the iPhone to tell their stories. We partnered with Vesperia Films to make a really cool film with students from Inglewood. It won a bunch of short film festival awards. And now the students who worked on that, they went and formed their own production company called Happy Mark Productions, and they're all doing filmmaking full time. I just want to be able to inspire one other person to believe in themselves and know that they're a superstar and shine their brightest and be the best that they can be. And that's a lot of what I talk about in my art. It's really about helping people realize that faith in themselves to achieve, to persevere, to go beyond, and have the highest of aspirations for themselves and everyone else.